Gunshots.
Marked a
from
location.
there.
Yes.
Oh, gunshots out there in the field.
Marked
They're
a
shooting each other.
location.
Someone's coming
Show me where.
by the car.
Enemies ahead.
There's 3 people here. I don't have a scope. There's scopes here somewhere.
Yeah, I see it. I got him. Hit him once. He's
Keep him
crouch,
busy.
he's crouch.
I can't reach it, so keep him busy.
I got this guy.
Mark it, someone mark it. Someone up on the hill too.
Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead.
Oh my god, how many times are gonna take to hit this guy?
I got a red dot. I don't know how I'm gonna hit him. I need to find a scar or...
Come on! There we go.
Oh, nice.
Oh, 6x. Alright, they're in trouble now. Here we go.
Like, leave him. Keep looting or get what you need.
Oh, someone's coming.
Mark it.
Enemies ahead.
He's wearing wings.
Are you saying someone's coming?
Got him.
It's going up there. I'm not
I want
going up
someone
there.
else. Oh, I see some guy here.
Mark it.
Enemies
Mark it.
ahead.
Mark it. Mark it. How's it looking?
It's by the rock.
Enemies ahead.
Easy shot.
I hit him twice. He's healing.
I got a billboard in my way. You need me to move?
He's healing.
No, got him.
Very nice. Very nice.
Where?
Enemies ahead.
Go.
Oh, I see them. They're running across. I think it's a real
Enemies
person.
ahead.
I don't see anybody. Are they in the grass?
They're in the field.
That's a
No,
bot.
it's running
That's a bot.
stupid. Yeah, he's running.
It's running stupid. I hit him a couple times. Alright. Let me get this angle grip.
Yep, there's one right behind that tree.
This tree?
Yep, the
Enemies
tree that I
ahead.
marked.
Oh,
Enemies
I'm getting
ahead.
sniped. Oh my god, I'm getting
Better
sniped.
get down. Better get down. They're shooting from the north.
I got the guy
Okay.
behind the tree.
Good
Very
shoot,
nice.
Good shoot.
I got sniped.
Someone's aiming from the north also.
You know we're here. I gave away my position.
Can you come down? Where are you?
I'm behind you right now.
I'm looking north, guys. Someone's super close. Where is it? Anyone got eyes?
Laquisha's getting shot up. You knocked somebody.
With a VSS.
He's
We're
gonna
still
die.
in the circle.
He's gonna die. Don't worry about him. I hit him a few times, so he's just gonna die.
You guys need a health pack?
No, it's... You need to heal.
Yeah, I'm healing.
What, third
I
circle?
think I got
Oh,
lucky.
there's someone in this house. I just saw him running.
I see him.
Behind the tree.
Right there. There's people
Enemies
there.
Behind the
ahead.
tree. I think he's in this house now.
Enemies ahead.
You're getting shot in the head.
I'm getting sniped. I need to heal.
Close the door.
I'm a little busy healing. They're coming in soon. North.
Er-
2 people in the north.
Okay. Gather together. If they're rushing in, we need to get together. I'm watching the door with you.
Circle's closing in now.
Let's see if we get lucky.
Oh, I see him. North. 2
Enemies
guys.
ahead.
One's rushing down. Oh, they hit me again. Fuck. One guy's
I
rushing
don't
down.
see them.
They're coming down the hill on the north. The blue's gonna hit them.
I shot him once behind the tree. Shot him twice. Got him.
Good. Which guy? North?
There's
I
another
got him
one
by this tree.
Oh,
Enemies
damn it.
ahead.
Another one. Another one
I
here.
knocked the guy in the north.
Enemies
I'm knocking one guy
We're
from
both down. Second
They're
floor,
fighting.
both
They're
down.
fighting
Where are you
each
guys?
other.
Where are you guys? Where are you guys?
First floor. Let's go.
Up,
First,
yeah,
let's go.
upstairs.
First floor?
Cool.
Okay, one of them's in the red house
Hey,
near
you
us.
guys, I'm coming up. I'm coming up. I'm coming
One
up.
of them's in the red house.
I gotta save one of them first. Hold on. I can't save you. I can't save you. It's not coming up. There you go. Get out of there. I can't save you. Don't move. Don't move. I got it.
Enemies ahead.
We're still
Alright, one's in the red house and one's on this
Can you
ridge.
pick,
I just
Ant,
marked
pick
him.
up Laquisha? I need to help.
Enemies ahead.
I'll pick her up. I'll pick her up.
No, me and you
Give
gotta
me-
shoot. Ant
Oh.
gotta save her. They're coming from. They're in the area.
They're by this tree, Paul.
How many?
Enemies
They're,
ahead.
they're below the ridge and one of them's in this
No,
red
they're
house.
close enough. I see
Enemies
footsteps.
They're right here. They're right here. Right here. You see his gun?
I see
Enemies
footsteps.
ahead.
No. Someone's closer. It's the footsteps.
No, he's right here. I'm hitting him right here. Yeah, someone's shooting him.
I got him.
Yeah, you got him.
I knocked
him.
him, but I mean, I'm just saying someone's close enough. To
Alright,
see-
another one up on top, coming from the tree. Just
Where-
jumped
what
down
is
behind
that?
the red building.
No, someone's close
shoot.
enough. I see footsteps. Come in here. Come over here. Come over here. Yeah, stay there. Stay there.
Enemies
Stay there.
ahead.
Don't move. Don't move. It's just one squad versus us. He's in the
The other
house.
guy went to pick up
Enemies
the guy you
ahead.
shot down with the mini.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I
That's
saw
all
him
right.
jump
We
down
got
for
we
it.
got the circle though. We got the circle. Just heal up. Heal. Some guy's still here. You see footsteps?
Yep, I see him.
Enemies ahead.
Anyone got a drink?
Hang on a sec. I'm gonna throw a grenade outside.
Enemies ahead.
Oh, they're right here. They're right here. They're
Enemies
right
they're
outside.
right
They're
by
right
the tree.
outside. They're right outside the building. Oh, we're actually in the circle. They all have to come in.
I'm
all
going
have to
back on
come
the
in.
stairs. Screw that.
I'll be on the first floor. I got this. Don't worry. I'll handle this. I think the right behind
Oh,
the door.
grenades back there by north side.
They
I'm gonna open this door, Paul.
Don't open it. That's where they're
Oh,
at.
the door.
That's a lot of footsteps. A lot of footsteps. They're coming.
Chuck your grenades.
I'm going outside. I'm going outside.
Don't go. Do not go
Don't.
outside. You're so dumb. You go outside. Dude, don't go
Throw
outside.
grenades.
I'm already out.
Don't try to be a hero right now, man.
Well,
left,
Ant, you
two
got a drink you can spare me?
2 left.
No, I have 0.
Hey, Will,
Cool.
open this door, man.
I opened it already. I ran out and ran back in. I wanna go get the box. The box
What?
is still clear.
You're an idiot. Don't let them in. Don't let them in. See a lot of
They're next to the door, Paul. They're next to the door. Come on. One on your left, on your left.
Got him.
Oh shit, we won.
Alright, good night.
Got him.
Alright, good.
Nice.
Yeah. Everyone else?
I can still play if you want to play. If not, I'm leaving.
I can play another.
Yeah, let's throw more then.
Okay, last one.
Yeah.
Alright.
They were waiting by the door. They kept seeing my door open.
Oh yeah.